Hello friends, Namaste. I am Mukta Manimore. Before going to discuss today's topic, I appeal you to subscribe my channel Mukta IAS and like my videos to support me. Your suggestions are always welcome. You can suggest me anything about study material and I will try to upload those videos. So let's discuss about today's topic. We are going to discuss about what topic you have to study and how to study in minerals and energy resources of India as well as world. So I am trying to tell you that after studying only these topics in minerals and energy resources, you can do well and you will definitely clear JNU 2021. So the point first is that you have to start studying topics of mineral and energy resources with its introduction, like metallic, non-metallic minerals and their subtopics like iron and ore, manganese, coal, petroleum, natural gases, etc. This could be covered in India and in the world scenario. So these are the points here, you can see that. So the point 2 is that whether it is iron ore, manganese, coal, petroleum, natural gas or any other resources, few common points, few common topics must be covered, like what is it, types of it, distribution of such resources in India as well as in the world, location on the map, economic utilization of these resources, largest, smallest producer in India as well as in the world, and how was it formed. So these are some common topics, some common points that you must cover in all sections of resources, like I have already told above. So the point third is that you have to study atomic energy resources also. So in this section, cover only these points that I am telling you. What is it, how does it works, raw material like uranium and thorium and its types, distribution in India and in the world of atomic energy resources, highest and lowest producer of uranium and thorium in the world, and different types of technology and different types of new researches about these all things. You must be aware about those things, and atomic power stations in India. So these are some 6 points that you must be clear about atomic energy and resources. The point fourth is that you must practice the concept through solving questions based on the mentioned topic that I have already mentioned here. So this will bring perfection within you. So these are some we can say that tips that you must be followed about your preparation. And if you are willing to clear a JNU examination, so you must study through like this. So I have here tried to tell you that how you have to study about the minerals and energy resources of India as well as in the world. So whatever in this video I have here mentioned, these are related to about minerals and energy resources of India as well as world. So cover these all points, you can do better in minerals and energy resources topics. Thank you so much.